Simple real-time programs can be tested using printf calls, but more complex programs require dedicated debugging tools. In this chapter we will discuss the debug tools provided with EanTime. You can use the standard debuggers supplied with the Windows Development Tool for the non-real-time portions of your system. EanTime provides real-time debuggers that you use in conjunction with the standard Windows debugger to view and debug application code simultaneously in the Windows and real-time environments. The Visual Studio Integrated Debugger can be used for EanTime projects, those that have the EanTime icon in the Solution Explorer. Because Visual Studio is a Windows application, it can only work properly if Windows gets CPU time regularly. Because of the special context in an interrupt handler, you cannot set breakpoints in an interrupt handler. Spyder has more or less the same functionality as the Visual Studio Debugger, although it is not integrated in Visual Studio. A major difference is that when a thread hits a breakpoint, Spyder does not suspend all other threads in the process. Depending on the environment, this can be better or worse than the Visual Studio Debugger. The EanTime System Debugger, SDB, enables the user to view EanTime system information, including processes, threads, mailboxes, and other EanTime objects. Spyder supports SDB commands through its menu items. If you want to use SDB for breakpoints and hardware trap handling, issue the Spyder Advanced Commands DT, Test Terminal, and DU, give hardware traps to SDB, with DH, give hardware traps to Spyder, you return control to Spyder. SDB commands. VC. Information on the call at the current address. VD, processes object directory. VF, number of free global descriptor table, GDT, slots. VJ, process tree hierarchy beginning with given process or the full tree if no argument is given. VK, handles for ready and sleeping threads. More SDB commands. VO, information about the objects in the process. VS, number of stack elements or all of the stack contents. VT, information about given object, depending on its type. VU, system calls in thread stack. EanScope is a tool that shows thread execution. You can run it until its buffer is full, or capture with a cyclic buffer. Each thread is displayed as a horizontal line, which is solid when the thread executes. Whenever a thread switch occurs, the reason can be shown. For example, when a thread should execute every 10 millisecond, you can verify that, or you can find why the thread does not run at a particular point of time.